What's up? I am Squad. Today's video. Can you please? I'm not going to do anything. Can you please like and subscribe to my channel? Because I'm so close to hit 1,000 subscribers to get a silver golden play button, and I can earn money with that. Huh? Mama said that. I know Mama's gonna benta that.
No, hindi necessary yun.
Yeah, that's
Pero makaka-earn ka ng money dun. Pag too much na yun nag-watch ng mga videos mo, makaka-earn ka na ng money.
yeah.
Just like the vlogger.
Because I'm sorry I did not post any videos because I forgot about my account. When I see I switch account, I managed to enter my account.
I just revived it. Yan.
I just revived my account. I guess we can switch accounts. Huh?
How many subscribers do you have na? 153?
Yeah. Yeah.
O 147?
147 kasi na to.
Oh guys, please help Ian. So you need 800
1,000 more.
853
90 800.
853 subscribers pa yung need mo to be 1 million 1,000 subscribers.
Mama, alam ko na. Guys, like and subscribe too because I'm just going to subscribe on my account.
No.
I can switch.
You keep subscribing and subscribing
I can just
so that you hit the 100.
wait. I can subscribe to my channel, my other account. Yeah, I can switch accounts.
No, don't do that.
I can.
Let your mga, what do you call them? I am Squad.
Yeah.
Subscribe on your channel.
Yeah.
What's up, I am Squad?
Guys,
Please help I am to reach the
like and
enough
subscribe if I need brace. Guys, like and subscribe if I need dentures.
You really need dentist.
No dentures
Dentist.
because it's my teeth. I don't need that.
I think
Never.
you can go live on your YouTube. Let's try.
Okay.
Wait.
Bye.